Chevy. I'm ripping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright then, so back in the lab, as you can see what we got going on over here with the box Chevy. Pretty much got everything put back together. Serpentine set up. We may need a little bit more coolant to go down off in there, but serpentine set up, intake tube, everything set up there. The exhaust is completely on. Wires and stuff hooked up, O2 sensors, shift linkage. So the only thing we really got to do now is add fluids. Power steering fluid, not power steering. Well, we may need some power steering fluid. So power steering fluid and transmission fluid, and like I said, a little bit more coolant, and I believe we should be good to go. It's been a little bit of a journey. We're making sure that we get it taken care of. First we was aiming for the car show. Now we aiming for Mother's Day, which is in like 6 days. So I think we should be good. Yeah. So we're gonna see. Alright, what up, good people? You see it. We got action. I was charging up the battery soon. I felt like it was kind of low earlier. So basically, I'm gonna put it back on the charger after I show y'all what we're doing. So basically, I crank it up. It was leaking something. I didn't know what it was. Come to find out, the fuel line started leaking. Why it started leaking, I don't know. But the fuel line started leaking, and yeah. So luckily when I made the fuel line for this car, it was too long. So I was able to trim something back. So I cut some off, and then boom, cut some off, and yeah. So this is the amount. I cut this amount off first to try to get rid of the leak, which I thought I did until it started leaking again. So then I had to cut off another part like that. So all in all, I had to cut this much off of the fuel line to get it to stop leaking. I guess the hose busted or something. I don't know. I feel like this has never happened with regular ass hose. Like this nylon braided shit. Like I feel like sometimes I question the integrity of those hoses, but I did get it put back together, and we did get that going. So I'm gonna throw the little kill switch, start it up. I mean, overall though, man, it was a good experience, I feel. So it shouldn't be a whole lot more. I mean, we do need to let it run, get up the temperature, all that good stuff. Let's see, the battery's still kind of low. I don't know why it don't. There you go. So yeah, we're gonna have to work out the kink of why it ain't staying running, but I don't know. If it ain't one thing, it's another. I know if I gotta pull this engine back out, nigga, we going in there. Crates. Crate, it is gonna be great. But yeah, that's what I got, man. Like I said, just bring y'all up to speed. Like I said, got some kinks I believe we gotta get worked out. Yeah, we're gonna be alright. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. So we're gonna put this back on charge and come back another day. Maybe by then we'll have the wheels on it and get back on the ground and pulling out the garage by then. Stay tuned though.